Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method on your Nike account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in nike.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Nike website. Now, if you haven't logged into your account already, you can click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken into the homepage once again. Now, in order to add your payment method within your account, you will first need to get into the checkout menu. Just add any item that you wish to buy. And once you find any item, just choose the size and click on the add to bag option. Now, you can either click on view bag or the checkout button once you are ready to check out and add your payment method to make your payment. Now, within the checkout menu, you will be asked to enter all of your personal details as well as your address. After entering all of these required information, underneath within the payment section, you may add any promo code if you have one, and below this, you can choose your payment method. You can choose from credit or debit card, as well as Google Pay. Click on whichever option you wish to use, and if you choose credit or debit card, you will simply need to enter your name on your card, followed by the card number, as well as the expiration date and the CVV number. You can then click on the place order button, and if you choose Google Pay, you will simply need to log into your Google Pay account. After proceeding forward with either one of these methods, your payment method will be added onto your account after your payment has been verified. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a payment method within your Nike account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.